What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. This is M_Wanji on YouTube channel. Welcome. Today, I want to show you a traditional beehive, how they press the beehive to the trees. And we used to have a lot of beehive, or my dad used to have a lot of beehive, and he's still maintaining them. Though nowadays they have the digital one, but my dad being an old man or a bit aged, he still maintain the old beehive. So I decided to come and visit, show you how the tradition beehive they look like, and how they put them to the top of the trees. Yes, I used to watch my dad harvesting it's called what? The honey during the night. Here in Kenya, the old people used to harvest the honey during the night because, I don't know, because something to do with the bees. They don't bite them like during the day. So I want to show you how the beehive look like, the traditional beehive. Yes, welcome. This video is going to be quite short. Yes, just to show you how traditional beehives look like and how they put them to the top of the trees. And also they put them a far distance from where people live. Because of bees, they can be quite violent. You know, they have that stinger behind the belly. Bees sting from the back. And during the sun or during the summer, the bee become very violent. So because of that, they put in beehive far from where people live to prevent the inconvenient situation to show up. And in beehive, guys, one of the beehive used to live somewhere here, not near the tree where the first beehive is put. But this tree is one of the best to put the beehive. And this is how the tree look like. You can see is they put the oil, this oil here. They put the oil around the tree. You can see there is an oil put around the tree to prevent the ants and also pounder. You can see there is a line, a white line to prevent the ants from climbing the tree. If the ants climb the trees, they can chase away the bees. Because of that, they put that oil and then they put another powder to prevent any harmed insect from climbing the trees. This is one of the tree, and this tree got 2 beehive. There is 2 beehive in this tree. One is actually this one. Let me stand to the right in direction so that the sun don't affect the... Yes, guys, you can see where the beehive is. And this tree is quite big, but not too tall, not too short. You can see the height. That is the tree. So one of the beehive, this beehive is the traditional one. This one is traditional one. The other type of 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 beehive is a square, but you can see this one is not a square. This beehive is a traditional one and it's not a square. This is how they used to make the beehive those days, back when I used to be very, even before we were born. Right now I'm older than 30 years. So this is the traditional beehive. And they put it a bit high to prevent bee from attacking human or even goats or animals passing down the tree. The other one is that one. The tree is quite wide. You can see the tree is quite wide. So my daddy got two positions to place two beehive. And you can see they both look the same. They are long and round. Inside is a hole. Then there is a cover on both sides. That's how they look like. One is there, and that beehive got bees inside, and the other one is this side. Also got bees inside. So those are traditional beehive, and that's how they look like. And it's a distance from where there is houses. Houses, you can see houses afar. That is where we live now. It's quite a distance, some meters away from where we live and where the beehive are placed. And this place is almost like a forest. You can see this is a forest tree. This is a forest. The tree is in the forest. And there is another one. There is another beehive near around here. I may not go far, but you can see somewhere over there. There is another beehive. When you look there, you can see another beehive over there. That is another beehive. And one beehive can get